important that I pay attention to layering. Not really like, you know, being cute and showing off my figure and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Use this one for this trip only because I'm packing my hookah. I'm packing all three of these, you know, big boots. Y'all probably like, Brie, why the hell you bringing all this skirt? I don't know. You remember, I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Oh my God! Wow! Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me. Welcome to my channel.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, you don't know who I am, hello, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning supporter or subscriber, I definitely want to extend my warm welcomes for you returning to watch another video of mine. You're watching another episode of Brianna TV, where I'm your host who loves to travel, Brie. In today's video, I am doing a pack with me because I will be in Colorado with my girls in less than like 3 hours. So if you kind of do the calculations, you will see that that does not offer a lot of time for me to pack and record and show y'all the process of me packing. I've always wanted to do like an official pack with me, only because when I pack in detail depending on where I'm going. So with this vacation being in the snowy mountains of Keystone, Breckenridge, Colorado, it's important that I pay attention to layering. Not really like, you know, being cute and showing off my figure and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. I initially tried to get this video out the day of my travel, which obviously you can see that ain't finna happen because I have less than an hour to pack for a 3-day, 2-night trip. You know, this is a reality pack with me, okay? We don't judge on this channel because, as you can see over there, I have my fine ass hot girl hookah. Yes, don't mind the time, mind your business. So the reason why I fired up a hookah is because I need to get my mind right, baby. I need to get my mind right. My mind was not right, and my mind needs to be right before this trip. I need to make sure I get everything from camera equipment to electronics. I just need to make sure I pack certain things, even my hookah. In this pack with me, you will see exactly how I pack my hookah. How we get our hookah from your destination to wherever you're going, whether that's overseas, domestic, down the street, to the next state. Also, you may be wondering, why the hell on earth do you have on your shoes, Brie, in your house? Well, this is a special occasion as to why I have on my shoes. I have on my shoes only because with this trip being in the snowy mountains and this being one of the shoes that I'm packing, I wanted to wear them only because I need to make sure whatever I'm packing kind of like goes with the look. Just like my airport outfit, as you can see, it's simple, but it goes with the look. Starting in here, I don't know if we should start with clothes first or if we should start with accessories for the cold first. Y'all probably remember this bodysuit if you watched my Moon Boots try on haul. So we're definitely packing this. I have this in black and light gray. At this point, I'm just literally packing whatever I feel will protect me from the cold, because this right here is my work bodysuit. Okay, so on this side of my closet, this is where I house all of my, you know, athletic wear. Like basically what you see me have on, I keep that all on this side of my closet. So let's see what. Okay, so I have an Adidas outfit and I haven't worn it yet. So I have another Adidas suit, and this one, instead of coming with like thick layered pants, it comes with matching bottoms. I don't know if I should pack this, but look at the material. I mean, I'm not gonna be wearing this in Georgia anytime soon because it's warming up in Georgia, so it's like, might as well be safe than sorry, right? So y'all, oh my god, I have another Adidas suit. Oh my god. But this it's too similar to the previous Adidas actual like outfit. So I don't think I'm gonna purchase, like I don't think I'm gonna bring this one. But I think this black jacket is perfect for under layering. Like this will probably, just exactly like what I have on, I would probably put one or two more coats on top of this. So like for example, my Adidas suit that I'm packing, I would actually probably wear this under my Adidas suit with my sports bra under this. I just realized I'm gonna have to pack everything in this like oversized luggage. This is my luggage that you've seen from my previous pack with me's vacation travels. This right here is the luggage that I use for overseas travel, and I'm gonna have to use this one for this trip only because I'm packing my hookah. I'm packing all three of these, you know, big boots. So instead of having like too many small bags, I'm okay with having everything being checked in. So y'all know what I just remembered by packing these moon boots? Thick socks. I just grabbed every thick layered socks that was in my sock department, because baby, we'd rather be what? Safe than sorry. So we're in my vanity room, aka filming room. I kept these hung up right here for show because I could not forget these important essentials that I purchased strictly for this trip. So this is a bubble coat that me and my girls are going to take a cute girls, you know, trip picture in the snow, you know, a ski line, like a seasonal ski line. So I purchased a bodysuit. I really don't know how warm this is gonna keep me, but it was cute, so I had to purchase. But basically the look that I'm going for is boom, boom. I don't know which jackets to bring because they both have cute fur in it. So should I bring A, which is a cropped fur leather jacket? I don't really think it's gonna keep me warm, but it's cute. Or should I wear B, which is, I think this is also cropped, but the fur comes on the arms. Y'all probably like, Brie, why the hell you bring all this fur? I don't know. You remember, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I want to bring my Chanel scarf. I've only brought her out once this entire time. I treated myself to a cute Paris Chanel scarf. It's a wool scarf, so I think it's perfect for this occasion. And then this to me is a waterproof bubble jacket. If you've seen my athleisure Burlington try on haul, I think that this is perfect to wear for this occasion as well. what TikTok made me do is you basically purchase travel size perfume bottles, and the maximum that you can travel liquid wise onto a carry-on in the plane is 3 fluid ounces, and these are 2 fluid ounces. So what y'all want to drink on? Because baby, I'm thinking Casamigos Blanco or either Don Julio. What y'all thinking? Comment below. Pop it open, find or locate. Oh, I think I hear my mama. Okay, here I come. Yes, we're ready.
Oh, it
And
gotta
packed.
snow. It gotta snow, honey. You ready, honey?
I'm just putting my
Girl, Bree is ready. Just
All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this pack with me. I'll catch y'all in Denver, Colorado.